What's up, O'Brien Army? So, just sit here and wait for me to finish this phone call on the payphone. Dialed the wrong fucking number. Hello? Yeah, Dennis. Why don't you meet me downtown? I got this volunteer job at a TV studio. Yeah, I'll be there at 7. Yeah, feel free to come down here and see me. Oh, thank you. Bye. Fucking idiot didn't even answer my call. Nope, wait, stop. He did answer the call, but only to tell me that I was fucking fired. Hello? Fucking answer me! Fucking answer me! Come on, you're making me look like an idiot. You're making me look like an idiot in front of everybody. Answer the phone! You're making me look like an idiot. Well, you know what? Fine then, don't answer. Went straight to voicemail. Anyway, as I told him, I'm volunteering for a job at the TV studio in downtown Hemet. Woo! Glad that cop didn't drive by when I was saying that crap, which gives me an idea. That's the master prank call right there. You dial the number and then hang up as soon as they answer. It's a waste of money for a prank call, though. I should probably stop now. Well, that's going to be all for today. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.